Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Boys and girls of all ages. Yeah, okay, I'm sitting. Feet are outside the car. We are cleaned. New light is up and in. I don't know if you can see it. Can you guys see it? There you go. New light's in. I've got part of the wire routed. I got to put all of this into a sheathing. So we'll get all that taken care of. I got to get the last light in place. So we'll get that done. I'm hoping if everything goes right today, I can get the last bit of the dashboard stuff in place underneath the dash and in its holder. Get the light finished. And we can hopefully start on the transmission. I hope. This is taking a little bit longer than I planned on. I didn't plan on kind of rebuilding switches, but hey, it is what it is. You know, life goes on. But it's coming out really, really good. Things are working like they're supposed to, and I'm loving it. I mean, it's an absolutely gorgeous car. I mean, you guys got to see this. Let me close this up a little bit. There we go. I mean, just look at this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this came out really good. I'm thankful I got the conditioner that I got. This is super, super soft and supple. Oh, I got to do a quick wipe. My hands weren't as clean as I thought they were. So we'll wipe that off real quick. But yeah, it's coming out good. I'm really happy with the progress. So I know it'll be a short video. I want to try and get this done and get it taken care of and get my tasks for the day taken care of. This happens to be one of them. All right, thanks guys. We'll show you more as I can.